Hello friends, I hope you are doing good. Today I am going to discuss about Disqus. So you can add Disqus comment section in your website and engage your audience. It is very beneficial and it will help you to generate more engagement, more traffic to your website. So how I will do it, I will show you. So for this you need to just open this link. I'll give you this link, disqus.com, and you just need to click on get started. Sorry. So herein you just need to sign up. You can just enter your name, email ID and password. Click on sign up. So herein you need to click on I want to install Disqus on my site. You will also receive a confirmation message to verify your account in your email ID. I'll just show you how it will come up in a few seconds. You just need to type in here your website name. You type anything like this one. This will be my custom URL. You can click here. This will be my custom URL, or you can call short name. You can select the category. My website is a sports website, so I'll just do it. Select the right category and click on create site. So herein you can get paid as well as free. So let's go for a free one. And in case you find anything better and suitable, then you can simply upgrade. You can here just see in the first section you can select WordPress. You will also get a video to just see how it will work. So now you need to verify your email ID. You just need to go to settings section and see here verification email has been already sent to you. So check in your email, like I have received verification email. Click on this. It is asking me to sign in. Email verified. So my email has been verified now. So you will get an installation token key from your website, and you just need to click put it over here. So now you need to just log into your WordPress account, and you need to add a new plugin. Just type in Disqus and select the first one. You can see the logo. It is the logo of the Disqus. You can see here in Favicon. Just click on install now. So it's installed. Now click on activate. Now in the left section you will see this Disqus option is showing. Just click over it. So here you can do it through two options from installation or site configuration. Okay, so this is a secret key which it's asking here. So just need to click make changes, copy this key and paste it over here. Install. Oops. In your Disqus plugin, you need to go to reinstall, click here, WordPress installation page. You will redirect it to here. It is select your site. Enter your installation token key and click on OK. This is the installation token key. Paste it here. Click and here. Now yes, your site is now up and running. And now I need to click on configure. Appearance is auto. Site URL you can enter other information and click on complete setup. So now configuration is complete. Congratulations, you finished installation. Here are the few pages to help you. So now you can go to the website and see if it is working or not. Open any post and just scroll down. At the bottom you can see this is the Disqus plugin which is now showing correctly, and anybody can just comment and write this name and use their even Twitter or Facebook account to share the post. Easy, they can upvote, make it funny, love, anything they want. They can also log in from here. So this is the plugin which I am talking about, and it will work for you. So in case you like this video, share it, comment it, and if in case any problem, just comment below and I will try to solve your issue. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye and take care.